It was a Friday night, just before midnight. The Moulin Network Management Agency informed me about the triggering of the TR-614 at Saint-Auban. There was a small gap between the incident and the time when I was informed. The only information I got was the type of alarm. At the time I am informed, I systematically send an agent in intervention who will carry out an inventory of the premises. The operation manager is responsible for access and security of the workstations under our responsibility. This includes the security of property and people to ensure that everything goes well. Currently, the operation manager, who is the most important person within AMEPS, Source Station Maintenance and Operation Agency, does not have the means to act on preventing incidents or accidents. What could make it possible to anticipate these incidents is to have an effective real-time overview of the general condition of all our structures. Here we are talking about the case of the Saint-Auban transformer, which most probably, far before triggering an alarm, must have generated information. This information could have been important to the operation manager, warning we were getting a lot of indicators giving signals that our structure was starting to break down. Either a predictive maintenance campaign needs to quickly be launched, or at least we need to closely monitor this because it is clearly not normal. The experiment on Saint-Auban allowed us to identify all the sensors and all the possible feedbacks, concentrate them in the gateway developed by Kalima systems, and send them back to the mobile operating tool. So the gateway is a mixed hardware and software that collects information from the sensors at the source station and sends it back to the server and then to the applications. We are at the Saint-Auban source substation, a 225 kilovolt, 20 kilovolt substation. The digital batches you see behind me manage all the electrical works and retrieve all the protection and measurement data that are capitalized on a backbone network. The initial idea is to create a parallel system to the existing one of the control agency that would make it possible to retrieve all the data from the backbone network, but also new monitoring sensors in order to be able to process these new operations, give them added value, and send them directly to our mobility tool so that the operations manager is informed in real time of all the station's information. Then the chosen technical solution allows an optimal level of data to be transmitted between the gateway and the server by a blockchain technology that guarantees the immutability and integrity of the data. So data integrity means that all data flows back correctly. The immutability guarantees that all data will be saved to provide a convincing trace of events, but also a solid basis for data analysis for predictive maintenance or big data purposes. The project was born from a hackathon organized by the CCE in collaboration with ENEDIS. The initial idea was to think about the source station of tomorrow and the smart grid. And we made a direct link with our operational needs. As an innovative startup, working with a large company like ENEDIS brings us the opportunity to compare our innovative and highly conceptual high-performance systems with specific, concrete needs presented by high-level staff. The operations manager is always required to travel and, as a result, is not permanently in the office to obtain information that the ACR currently had. So this tool allows us to have in real time all the information of all the source workstations that an operation manager must have, as well as the plan bottoms, the documentary bottoms, the logbook, the anomalies, It would still be a shame to do without it.